Welcome to this month's Nature's Calling. I'm Lucas Bond with the Missouri Department of Conservation. It's that time of year again where you hear the sounds of quacks in the air. That's right, waterfowl season has already begun. The duck and coot season is set up in 3 zones: the North Zone, the Middle Zone, and the South Zone. The North Zone hunting season is November 3rd through January 1st. The Middle Zone hunting season is November 3rd through the 9th and November 15th through January 6th. And the South Zone hunting season is November 22nd through the 25th and December 3rd through January 27th. Water and weather are the main factors that will determine when and how many waterfowl will migrate to Missouri. The key to the season will be flexibility. Hunters should go out and do some preseason scouting, see what kind of condition the wetlands they like to hunt are in, and then if they have the chance, it would be great to hunt during migration events. A migration event usually happens when a cold front moves from the northwest to the southeast part of the state, and that's the perfect time to be out in the marsh. It's important to remember before you head out to duck hunt, you have your permit to hunt small game, your migratory bird hunting permit, and your federal duck stamp. This time of year is a great time to get outdoors and enjoy a nice winter hike. From the subtle sounds of snow falling in the woods to the shapes of trees and hills, nature reveals surprising rewards during the winter months. Hiking in the winter is all about dressing in layers. The base layer should fit snugly and be a good wool or synthetic blend. Insulation is the next layer, a fleece or wool sweater. The final layer, a shell, should be waterproof to keep you dry. And don't forget your hat, gloves, and a good pair of waterproof hiking boots.
The leaves have fallen, so you can see further in the woods, as well as once we get that snow, you get to see the tracks, really prominent, whether it's a deer track, it's a turkey track. So you can come out and bring your family as well, see some things that you might not have seen during the summer.
The shopping season's in full force, and if you're looking for a fun nature-themed gift, I encourage you to stop by one of Missouri Department of Conservation's nature shops, found in nature centers around the state. Nature shops offer a surprising array of reasonably priced gifts. Some of this year's nature shop hot sellers are A Paddler's Guide to Missouri, Missouri's Wild Mushrooms, Cooking Wild in Missouri, and the 2019 Natural Events Calendar. Also, it's important to remember that permit card holders get a 15% discount on all Nature Shop items.
Actually, hunting and fishing permits make great stocking stuffers, and they go on sale December 1st at a nature center near you.
These items and much more can be found at any nature shop, nature center, or online at mdcnatureshop.com. For more information on waterfowl season, winter hiking, and nature-themed holiday gifts, visit mdc.mo.gov. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's calling. Get out and enjoy Missouri's outdoors.